Hi, I'm Scott Slater.
And I'm Javan Grant. We often get asked the question, what is no-fault insurance? Or some of you may know it by PIP, or personal injury protection. All that is it's a requirement in Florida for insurance that every person who's driving on the highways has to have. And what it's designed to do is designed to give you quick compensation regardless of who's at fault for an accident. Things like medical bills and lost wages. It's put in place by this legislature to ensure that regardless of who's at fault, there's some money available in order to help with certain bills and expenses.
And there are three important things to remember when it comes to no-fault PIP insurance, which is insurance that you have with your own insurance company. The first thing is that it will not provide you any benefits or coverage unless you seek medical treatment within 14 days. This is one of the reasons why it's so important to seek medical treatment after an accident as soon as possible, even if you don't think you're hurt. Many times you're more hurt than you initially think, and the PIP coverage will not provide any benefits to you if you do not seek that medical treatment within 14 days. The second thing to remember is that PIP insurance has limits. So PIP insurance does not cover everything, and it is not unlimited in the amount of money that it provides in terms of benefits. So no-fault PIP insurance in Florida typically covers 80% of any medical bills that you have, 60% of any lost wages from work that you have, and some benefits for certain other financial losses or expenses. Typically, no-fault insurance is limited to $10,000. And so once that limit is reached, the insurance will no longer pay those medical bills or those lost wages or other expenses. Sometimes it's limited to only $2,500, and that's if it's found that you do not have what's called an emergency medical condition. An emergency medical condition is a health situation after an accident where you need immediate medical care and it's likely to result in a serious long-term injury. The third and final thing to remember is that no-fault PIP insurance is not your only way of recovering money after an accident. Oftentimes in car accidents, the injuries and the medical expenses and the lost wages that the victim has suffered goes well beyond what no-fault PIP insurance covers. And so it's important that if you've been in an accident that you consult with an experienced law firm or attorney to discuss what your options are. If your injuries and expenses go beyond what PIP covers for you, you can make a claim against the other driver and their insurance company. And in particular, the most valuable aspect of damages in a car accident case typically is pain and suffering, mental anguish and suffering, and other non-economic or intangible damages. And PIP does not cover those damages. So the only way you're going to recover those is by making a claim against the other driver and their insurance company.
Look, the reality is no-fault insurance, PIP, whatever you want to call it, is complicated. And a lot of times when you're involved in an accident, you don't know what to do, where to turn. You have a lot of questions going on. Give us a call. We've done this for years. We know the PIP law. We know how to navigate the no-fault system. And we're only just a phone call away. Give Scott or me a call. We're here to help.